In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Figma design file. If you're used to Figma's autosave in the cloud, creating a local backup can feel a bit unfamiliar, but it's incredibly useful. A local copy lets you archive a snapshot of your work, keep an offline backup, or share a portable bod.fig file with a teammate who can import it into their own Figma workspace. It also gives you peace of mind when you're handing off a project or storing a version for compliance or review. Start with your design file open in Figma. Look to the very top left corner of the interface and click the Figma icon. This opens the main menu with all of your project options. If you're in the browser, it's the multicolored Figma logo in the corner. In the desktop app, it's in the same place. Clicking that icon reveals the full application menu, so you don't have to memorize shortcuts or dig through panels. Next, move your cursor to the File section in that menu. Hovering over File expands a set of actions related to your current document. You'll see options for things like duplicating, version history, and other file-specific tools. We're interested in the option that creates a downloadable copy you can store anywhere on your computer. From that expanded File menu, choose Save Local Copy. This tells Figma to package your current design into a single .fig file. You'll be prompted to pick a location on your computer and give the file a name. Consider adding a clear version label or date to the file name so you can track changes over time. When you confirm, Figma generates the file and saves it exactly where you chose. That local copy won't affect your cloud document or shared links. It's simply a snapshot at this moment in time. If you plan to share it, remember that fonts aren't embedded, so anyone opening it later should have the same fonts installed for accurate rendering. A couple of quick tips while you're here. Keep your Fig files organized in a dedicated folder so backups are easy to find. If your project is large, give Figma a moment to complete the save before moving or renaming the file. And avoid changing the Fig extension, since Figma relies on that format to import the file correctly when you or a teammate need it later. That's all there is to it. Click the Figma icon, go to File, and select Save Local Copy to create a reliable, portable backup of your design. With this simple habit, you'll always have a secure version of your work at your fingertips.